Welcome back to Weeknight Eats. I am Dylan, and today we are making piping hot not venison dip. This is a recipe my mom used to make growing up. I have no idea where she got it, but it is good. I'm going to start off with 2 pounds of ground not venison. This is beef in a pan, medium-high heat. Start getting it browned off. We're not going to add any seasoning at this point. Don't really need to with everything going in here. Don't want to have it over-salted or anything like that, but just break it up into just a little bigger than taco meat sized chunks in the meat. Once it gets browned off there, drain the fat. We're going to add 1 jar of Ortega taco sauce, as well as 1 can of Enchilada Sauce. I used medium heat on both. You can adjust it to how you like. The flavor's all the same, just the level of heat. And 1 envelope of taco seasoning, or you can make your own if you watched my video with that before. It's pretty easy to make. Get it all mixed up, and in the meantime we're going to add our very annoying can of beans to the 9x13 pan. I made 3 mistakes here. First one, you just saw, trying to use that plastic spatula. That didn't work. Second, I had nothing holding the pan underneath, keeping it from moving. That was kind of stupid. And third, I didn't heat the beans. If you heat them up, that will spread so much easier, make your life a lot easier there. And then after those get spread out as evenly as possible, just add your lovely meat mixture into the pan and get that starting to spread out, all the corners. Just get it as good as you can there. Shouldn't take much. This is pretty pliable and in a very loose state, as it is still very warm and juicy. Give it a little shake, and we're going to add our cheese. I used about 2 cups of Colby Jack, my favorite cheese, and into the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees or until bubbling and looking good. Pull it out. I'm going to add some sour cream on the top. A few dollops here and there, or if you got one of these squeeze types, I really like those for this kind of application. Makes it easy. And spread it out with a spoon. It'll give you a little resistance because hot versus cold, but shouldn't be too bad. Just try not to poke your spoon through the cheese while you're doing it. And back into the oven for an additional 5 minutes until it looks like that. And that's it. Just serve it up, bowl or plate. I put some green onions on top, added some nice flavor, and that's it. Just serve it with some chips, crackers, or vegetables if that's your thing, and enjoy.